now on our way from Ahmed to Sidemen, and been really looking forward to doing these videos because we absolutely loved it here. So hope you enjoy it as much as we did. Okay, arrived at the Aisling Hotel, Sidemen. Just dumping our bags because the room's not quite ready yet, and head down to the pool or the restaurant, have a drink while we wait for our room. But it looks very nice. We passed a very posh one on the way here that's about 10 times out of our price range. Where Lisa and Steve stayed, yeah. We did look at the price, can't remember what it was, but
it was very expensive. We have the same
looked
view,
lovely.
though.
Got the same view, true. Nice pool. Nice views. You can have a drink?
Yeah.
Not a bad view from the restaurant. You've got the pool just there as you come round. This is us, Sri Candy, room number 9. Got our own little supply of magazines and books. Umbrella, hopefully we don't need that.
Tea, coffee?
Tea and coffee on the balcony.
I think it's as nice as the last one.
Okay, go on then. Let me see. I haven't been in through the door yet. Nice bed. Nice big towels. Dual aspect. So we've got a view of the pool, and we can put our chairs on that little balcony if we want, or we've got a view the other way over the forest, jungle, whatever. And then, a very outdoor bathroom. Nice. What's around there?
Nice.
A tree.
How much is this? 28? Spotlessly.
Yeah. £28 a night, or 27 something a night. Lovely.
Hello.
Okay, this camera's decided to work. How long for? Who knows? Just had a quick swim in the pool at our hotel here, and we're going to pop out, find a laundry, have a look, see if there's a silver place, just get our bearings a bit. Where do you think the laundry is then? That way? We've been out of the hotel for 30 seconds, gone 20 yards, and Jan's decided she likes it here, and we're extending probably. That's fine.
It's
But look,
it's got a nice
just
vibe.
shh. Listen to that. Not a scooter in sight, or in sound. And look at the view, gorgeous. It is lovely. And our hotel's lovely, and there's lots of nice little restaurants. And our laundry was dirt cheap.
What's not to like?
Yeah. Yep. Mount Agung in front of us,
Through the lines.
through the power cables and the little cloud that's kind of halfway up it, then a gap. And we're apparently going around here down this dodgy little one for the silver place that Jan had found online. Oh, there you go. Katu Rasa Silver Workshop. Have a look and see what that's like. There we go. This is it. So we'll see whether they can do us now, or whether we book it and come back, or whether we don't like the look of it.
That one?
That one, I
Are you
think.
going to wear it though?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you can do, are you going to make mine and I make yours? Quite like that one. No?
Yeah.
That one, or should I have one that matches yours?
No, you don't have to have one. I mean, there was one there that was the same but thinner, that one. No.
I quite like that one.
I thought that was,
Yeah, that one also same texture.
Yeah, the
But
same
different.
texture as yours.
Okay.
But
okay.
Okay.
so shall I make yours and you make mine?
I don't know if I'd rather make my own to make
It's the
sure.
same though,
You want
same,
to make-
same process.
Same process.
Only this one with the soldering, that one
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ada gede set next second. Okay.
Okay.
So on this one, we melting the silver like a liquid on this bowl. So
Yeah.
don't stop the fire until I throw the silver over here.
Okay.
Okay, we do like this one. I will show you.
I'm standing well away. I don't trust you at all.
Yes, more.
More?
More. More. Yes, okay, enough. I can help.
Ah. Okay.
Hey. Oh, you want to do
Doesn't look much like a ring yet.
No.
See?
Is it hot?
No. I thought it was going to be, but it's not.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Ni na yang
Beautiful.
Yeah.
In the middle, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Tuhan. Ya. Same. Okay. Be careful. Lampungan. Ini lah ini. Sing. So now you make it the texture
Yeah.
like this.
Okay.
More stripe.
More?
Stripe. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, all round it.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
Like this.
I like that.
Oh no. This side.
Wrong side.
Putih nih. Buat pesan flat nih. You like this same like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Mantap juga. Ya.
Yep.
Ya.
You need to check your ring size.
What do you want to put inside the ingredient?
Oh, I don't know. What do you want to put inside?
Bali.
Or wedding anniversary day,
I
or
think wedding or 15.
15.
Let's do 15.
So, which way gets bigger?
I think for that one,
16.
17.
17.
Is 17 okay? Yeah.
This 17.
Okay. It's a bit warm. Like this?
Yes.
Then you're back.
Staying.
It's getting a little bit warm.
Yeah, I think mine got very hot.
Come closer. Put the acid. You take it. You do it.
Okay.
Take this one.
Yeah.
You rub on the only the letter, no, the number inside.
Oh, on the number.
Only the number and the letter.
Oh, it's got it.
You're making a mess.
Better make sure I put this on properly on yours. Hadn't you? I did my own.
Oh, you did like this. No, it's better the whole camera than now. Because the quality machine very good.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up,